Hello guys, so today we will let Ati Ai spell words with long I. Okay? So I and E reads I. Alright.
Come on.
So we have Docile, her assistant in erasing. Are you excited, Docile?
Yes.
Are you ready? Okay, so let's start. Write the word bike.
Huh?
Write the word bike.
Bye.
May I see?
Yes.
Alright, you read. What's that?
Bye.
Bike. Next, write the word sight.
Side.
Yes, sight.
And head. Hey. Okay. No. And letter C. But then I move the other one. As a card. Okay, that's okay. Hi guys, today my sticker is here. Sticker
Me
for
too.
I went to the wall. And this is mine. This guy.
Yes.
And this is
I-
yours.
Yes, I'm me and for 2 minutes.
Okay. Sight. Yes. Next, spell the word dike.
Die.
Yes, dike.
Die.
Nagini, look.
Oh, children have this.
It's okay. Alright, next, spell the word fire.
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 Okay.
When there is fire, the firefighter are there, ready to help
Like
us.
red.
Okay?
Like red.
Next, spell the word hike.
Hi.
Hike. Hike. Very good. Next, spell the word Ike. Ike. Okay. Spell the word jibe. Jibe.
Jibe. Jibe.
Jibe. Jibe.
Jibe. Okay, done.
Oops. Listen. Jibe.
Jibe.
Yes.
Hey! Oh,
Jibe.
and a header. Okay, wait a minute. There.
Okay. Write the word jibe.
Jibe. Ay. Ay.
It's okay. Next, write the word kite.
Kite.
Yes. Kite.
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 Oh, I love flying kite.
Naong sa Banisya.
Next, write the word like. I like studying. I like reading. I like writing. Like. Very good. Next, write the word mine. This pen is mine. Faster. Write the word mine.
Mine.
Yes.
Open a secret.
Mine.
Body anybody.
Later na ng TikTok, Dai. Mine.
Mine.
Yes. Mine.
Mine. Ay.
Very good. Next, write the word 9. Next to 8 is 9.
9.
Yes, number 9. You write the word 9.
Nine.
Next,
Ten.
write the word pine. Please write neatly, Ate Ai.
Ah,
Pine. Taro nga og write.
isa pa.
Pine.
Pine. Ha? What the?
Careful in using pine.
Pine. Pine?
Yes, pine.
Pine is horrible. Amonis. Ay, amonis. Hey! Can I have... Kanang maagama. Kari. Sakto na. Ali lang ka. Kaya na sa...
Next, write the word ride.
Ha?
Ride. I want to ride a horse. Ride. I want to ride a horse.
Children.
Next, sight.
Ha?
Sight.
La da 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 da. Side. Side. Side.
Sight.
Side. Side.
Next, write the word tire.
Huh?
Tire. The tire is black. Tire. Tire.
Tire. Tire.
Yes, tire. Next, vine. Vine.
Vine.
Okay, continue. Vine.
Vine.
Next, wire.
Huh?
Wire. Write the word wire.
Wire.
Next, write the word wipe.
Huh?
Wipe.
Wipe.
Oh, wipe. Please wipe the table. Wipe.
W.
Just write wipe.
What?
What is wa, Lucille?
W.
Okay, W. Wipe. Okay, wipe.
Wipe. Wipe.
Mm.
Wipe.
Next, side. Please sit at my side.
Side.
Yes, side.
Naunsa naman eh. Naunsa naman eh.
Please, ayaw ko siya og right side.
Di, wa na silang.
Time, I want you to read what you write. You point the word ha.
Ha?
Imong tudloon ang word niya, imong i-read. I-close na, B. Okay, you read.
By.
Okay. Yes, sight.
Like. Far.
Okay, point the word, tudlo
Far.
Okay.
Far.
Fire.
Fire. Hi.
Louder.
Hi.
Hike. Next, continue.
Hike.
Hike. Next.
Jive.
Jibe. Next.
Kite.
Yes, kite.
Like.
Like.
Mine.
Very good. Mine. Next.
9.
Yes, it's 9.
Cinnamon.
Okay, next.
Pine.
Pine.
Ride.
Louder.
Ride.
Oh, what's that?
Ride.
Yes, ride.
I want to ride there and hot there.
Okay, next.
Sight.
Good job. Sight.
Tire. Tire.
Okay.
Where the guys? Vine.
Yes. Vine.
Vine. Wire. Instead of spelling a wire, this wipe.
Again.
Wipe.
Wipe. Next. And lastly,
Sign.
louder.
Sign.
Side. I want you to look at the word and then encircle the long I. Long I sound.
I.
Okay?
I. What's this?
Do you understand, Lucille?
Yes.
Okay, I. You encircle I. Encircle the I and E.
Circle.
Yes.
Ito kay, ikaw na.
Oh, yes. I and E. Circle.
Ay, nato sa,
It's okay.
hindi.
Find the long I. Very good. Remember that one. Do not forget. I and E reads I.
Ayot.
It's long I.
Ayot.
What's ayot? What's ayot, Lucille? Continue.
Ay. Ay. Wait, dahil ka. Ano ito? Ay. Enter.
Okay. Find the long I.
Ay.
Finding the long I.
Ano draw something to it? Enter. Taran! Ay! Ay, napalan ako. Dito ko siya.
Alright. So, I's here.
Wait!
Tanaw diri ay. Nakasabot wala.
At
Okay. Ang sa ganina imong gi-encirclean?
I.
I. Long I. Long I reads? Okay. I.
Why I have bunny? Hi guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and bless. Bye. I hope you learned something. Bye. Please say subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching and subscribe in Facebook and YouTube. Bye.